In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in ClickUp 4.0. If you're looking to capture requests, collect customer information, or standardize the way tasks get created in your workspace, forms are a powerful and simple way to do it. Whether you're managing projects, running operations, or leading a team, this walkthrough will help you get a form live quickly and confidently. Before we dive in, a quick note. Forms are available on paid plans. If you don't see the option in your account, you may need to upgrade or check your workspace permissions. With that out of the way, let's get set up from scratch. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace, which is essentially your productivity home base. Think of it as the top-level environment where your teams, spaces, and tasks live. Inside your workspace, you'll organize work into spaces. These are the big buckets for departments, projects, or workflows. On the left-hand sidebar, find the space where you want your form to live. This is important because responses to your form will create tasks, and you'll want those tasks to land in the right location. Click into that space, then locate the area where you want to add the form view. Look for the plus sign next to the place you're working. Click the plus, and a menu will appear. From that menu, hover down to the Form option. When you see Form, click it. This opens the form view and brings up a selection of templates designed to help you get started quickly. You'll see options like feedback forms, project intake, job applications, IT requests, and order forms. You can start from scratch too, but templates save a lot of time. For this example, choose the Apply Order Form template. This type of form is excellent for taking customer orders or internal requests because it already includes fields that make sense for capturing items, quantities, and key details. And don't worry, you can customize every part of it to match your exact needs. Once the form loads, start tailoring it. Click on any question to edit the label, add help text, or make it required. You can add new fields, delete what you don't need, and drag questions to reorder them so the flow makes sense. If you already track specific data on tasks, like priority, assignee, custom fields, or tags, you can map questions to those fields to keep everything consistent. Next, open the Settings panel. Here, you can name your form clearly so your team and customers know what it's for. Confirm the destination list where new tasks should be created when someone submits the form. This ensures responses go to the right place every time. In Settings, you can also control sharing options, like whether the form is public, private to your team, or only accessible to people with the link. While you're in Settings, set up assignment rules. You can automatically assign the tasks created by this form to specific team members, which is great for routing work to the right owner. If certain people should always be notified, add them as watchers. You can also set default statuses and priorities so every new task starts with the correct workflow. When your questions and settings look good, click Preview. This shows exactly what your audience will see. Use this moment to check spacing, labels, and required fields. Read through your form slowly to catch typos and polish any wording that might confuse someone filling it out. Clear wording leads to better responses and fewer back-and-forth messages. From the preview, try a test submission. Click Submit, and you'll be prompted to complete the required fields, just like your users would. If your form includes a due date, use Select Due Date and pick a realistic date to confirm it maps correctly to the task that gets created. This quick test helps validate that everything works the way you expect. After submitting your test, there you go. You should see a task created in your chosen list with all the form data neatly organized. That's exactly what your customers or teammates will experience when they use the form. If you're planning to share it publicly, copy the link from the form view and distribute it wherever people will find it most useful, like your website, help center, or an internal wiki. Make a habit of reviewing your form for clarity and accuracy. Keep it updated as your process evolves, and double-check grammar and spelling to maintain a professional tone. Small improvements to wording can make a big difference in the quality of responses you receive. Once you've completed your edits and tests, submit your final changes and publish the form so it's live for others to use. If at any point you need to pause intake, maybe you're updating questions or the team is at capacity, you can unpublish the form. Unpublishing keeps the form from going live without deleting your work, so you can turn it back on when you're ready. And that's the full flow. Log in, choose the right space, add a form, pick a template like Apply Order Form, customize your questions, configure settings and assignment, preview and test with a submission, confirm due dates and required fields, publish, and share. With these steps, you'll capture the right information up front and convert responses into actionable tasks automatically, saving time and reducing manual data entry. If you found this helpful and want more tutorials to streamline your workflow in ClickUp, be sure to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.